Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I have two special guests. I got wifey and my baby girl Sophia.
Hi.
Say everyone. So today we're making a family favorite recipe. So tell us what we're making, baby.
We are making zesty lemon bars. One of my favorite because it has sweet and sour, perfect for the summer, and we know you guys are really gonna love this, so we're super excited.
Absolutely. So let's get right into this recipe, and the first step is to start with the shortbread crust that's gonna go on the bottom. So what I have here is some butter and some sugar. So we're gonna blend that up together for a couple of minutes. So that was pretty simple, right? Butter and sugar. Next step, we are going to add flour and some salt. So we're gonna add that right in there. And I'm actually doing a little bit easier, making life a little bit easier, putting it into a parchment paper.
That way flour doesn't go everywhere.
Exactly.
And doesn't get messy.
See, you wanna keep it clean.
We try.
Especially when you have a baby at the house, huh? There you go,
clean.
yay! Nothing's clean at the house with a baby, right? Forget about that. Okay, we're gonna blend this up.
Let's do it.
Okay, so now that the shortbread crust is all done, we are gonna put that inside a 13 by 9 pan that has been lined with aluminum foil, and I sprayed it down. And you'll see at the end why I did the aluminum foil, because it's gonna be so much easier to take out and then cut them up. So, Sophia, you ready?
Are you ready?
All right, so what I like to do is my hands, a little bit of flour in my hand. So we're gonna add the shortbread crust onto the bottom of a 13 by 9 pan, patting it all the way around, and then we're going to have about a 1/2 inch of an edge all around. That way, once you put the filling in, it will not seep underneath the shortbread crust. Okay, so now you can see we are all done with that 13 by 9 pan. The crust has been put all around on the bottom and a 1/2 inch edge all around. We are going to put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes, or you could do 30 minutes in the fridge.
Now that the crust is chilled, we're gonna put it in an oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until the crust is lightly brown. Then we're gonna take it out of the oven and let the crust chill before we put in the mixture.
Okay, so the crust has been taken out of the oven. It's been cooling down for a couple of minutes. We only have one problem here. We lost Sophia.
We thought she would come back, but
I mean, she's upstairs. This is the problem. You know, 3.5-year-old's a little bit tricky, but you know, we did the best we could. You got to see her pretty face. So let's get right into the filling here. We have eggs right here that are beaten up.
Yes, and now we're gonna add some sugar.
Add that sugar. You need that sugar. And just to let you guys know, the full recipe will be in the description below, so check that out.
So now we're gonna add the lemon zest.
Oh man, that extra lemony in there. Love the lemon zest in there. Okay, what's next, baby?
Now we're gonna add some lemon juice.
Fresh lemon juice, that's the key too. It's gotta be fresh lemons. Next
we're gonna add some flour.
Good old AP flour. Now you guys can make this actually all gluten-free as well, which we do a lot of the gluten-free products as well, but you know, this is all-purpose flour right here. Okay, so the crust is all ready. The filling is all ready. Now, baby, let's get that filling right into the crust.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Pour that in there. Oh my goodness.
Smells so good.
And you see how you have the edges? Looks perfect. So it holds all the filling in there. That's the key to that 1/2 inch edge. You could do 3/4 of an edge if you want, but the 1/2 inch is perfect. So now what are we doing now?
Oh yeah, so we are gonna bake this in the oven on a 350 degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes until the filling is set.
So the moment I've been waiting for, I'm sure you've been waiting for it. I mean, Sophia's upstairs, but again, she's not getting any lemon bars.
No!
No, we'll give her a little bit. Anyway, like I said before, I wanted to show you how you're gonna take that aluminum foil. You're gonna take it right out. See how simple?
That's really easy.
The simplest way. Look at this. Right? Isn't that simple?
It's easy and it makes it just more clean. So
and no mess.
Don't
and
get
look,
everywhere.
it's not dirty.
Yeah.
Perfect. Put that aside somewhere. All right. So, oh my goodness, let's do this. So you get about, I want to say you can get, depending on how you cut it, you can get about 20 pieces, nice big squares, lemon bar squares, right? Or you could do 24. the bigger the better for me.
I agree.
I want to do a big one, so let's just do let's do 5 times 4 is 20 pieces. So there you go.
Yes, and if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get all our latest videos.
That's right. All right. So I'm gonna just cut a little piece because I want to taste it.
Yes, let's eat it.
Let's get right into it.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Any day now.
Any day now. I know.
I smell it and it's like torture.
All right, I'll cut a little piece. And also, I think it's important. Powdered sugar on top is very important.
It's a nice touch.
I mean, look, it's a nice touch. Powdered sugar on my hand.
That's
Do you
okay.
want to taste?
Yes. This is like one of my favorite dishes.
Ladies first. Go ahead, baby.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I'm gonna taste.
Oh my god.
That's insane.
So good.
The crust is flaky, buttery,
Buttery.
and then the lemon.
Crust.
It's a perfect amount of lemon. You got the lemon zest in there. You got the sweetness.
Oh my god. That's
Man.
really good.
That is insane. And let me tell you, that's probably the best lemon bars you will ever make. I promise you that.
That's like a foodgasm. I promise you.
Did you really say that? Oh my god.
Yes. Seriously.
Well, again.
So good.
Wow, this is really good.
I'm gonna have
Perfect for
another bite.
picnics. You know, the summer's right here. It's right. Summer's already here. It's so hot. You know, baby showers, bridal showers, you name it, you could do it. Mother's Day, Father's Day, everybody loves lemon bars. I know I do. So, again, thanks for watching Married to Food, and we'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Can I get some?
Oh my gosh. I was gonna eat more.
She doesn't want to give.